Christmas! This is it. Mandarin, guys. Fresh from the backyard garden, guys. New harvest. Wow, ang dami. Guys, ang dami. Wow. This is very yummy. I-dry ko, guys. Lagay sa fridge. Very sweet ito, guys. Love you all. Busy ang life. Christmas. Dami ng work. Very cute. Mandarin or Clementine. Ang dami pa doon, guys. Sa backyard garden namin. Inaman Jordan. Love you all. Yummy. Ready na ito, guys, sa ngayon at saka sa New Year. Ang dami pa doon.